Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Welcome to episode 11 of my Halloween series. Thank you guys for being here. Today's video is a project share, as you see by the title above, and also a collaboration with the Paper Treasury. She is going to be showing you guys some super cute circle embellishments, and I'm going to show you guys some super cute circle embellishments. Mine were inspired by Absolutely Alice. I'll have her link down below. I'm pretty sure you guys already know who she is. She makes the cutest embellishments and is always posting on Instagram. She also has a YouTube channel. All her info as well as the Paper Treasury will be down below. So definitely go check the ladies out. Go show them some love. And yeah, let me just show you guys what I created, what I used, and all that good jazz. So this is not going to be a really long video, but you guys, they're coming, you know. So to make the circles, I used my circle dies, and these I got from AliExpress. And you get a whole bunch of different sizes. You get the really big ones. You get let me see, 1 2 3 4 5, like 9 little circles, different sizes. I only used these 2 that look like this. I'm not really sure the sizes, but this is what they look like. So one does fit inside the other. And yeah, I used the Spooky Boo paper pad by Pebbles. It is Pebbles, right? Yeah, I think it's by Pebbles. And it's super cute. I'm obsessed with this paper pad. I've been using it for a bunch of projects. And that's that. And then of course, to embellish the little circles, I did use some of the cardstock stickers from the collection. And let me show you guys what I created. Now, I was going to do a tutorial, but there's so many out there doing the same little circle embellishments. Plus, I could not sew on camera because my angles just don't work out for me. But this is what they look like. I did sew the little edges, so it's kind of like half shaker style, and I absolutely love them, you guys. I think they're so cute to share with pen pals, of course, and just to create. So I did some tulle right here on the top. So it's basically, you cut your circle and then you do a half circle. I glued down the half circle and then just basically sewed the half a moon on each circle, because I could do like a little trim or something like that, but I prefer to sew it and show you guys. This is the smaller one. You guys, how cute are these? So it's not like a must to have to sew them, but that was just my preference. And that's why I decided to make this video a project share instead of like a process video, because it's kind of like self-explanatory. Plus, the Paper Treasury, sorry, has a video showing how she does hers without sewing as well. So you guys should definitely check that out. I'll have that link down below as well. But how cute are these? That's what this one looks like. Just some sequins. I added a little gemstone, some little word stickers that I had in my stash. And this is the other big one. And I think they turned out super cute. I only made 4, you guys, because I have so many embellishments that I've made for this Halloween series that I'm just like, whoa. So I'm trying to like minimize. Usually I make like 5 of each, but I'm gonna try to make either like 1 with you guys and then have 3 to show, something like that, or like this 4. But yeah, you guys, that's a quick little video showing you guys a cute little idea to make for some happy mail, some cute little circle embellishments, little mini shakers that don't take a lot of sequins. Super easy. You don't have to sew it. You can add some trim. So many different options. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. What do you guys think about my tray? I put a picture of it on Instagram and you guys are loving it. I found these at my local dollar store, but I was reading other people comment that they sell them in Dollar Tree. So definitely check it out. It's super easy to have a place where all your stuff is and you can just go to and create. I think it makes it so much easier. This is the one for my Halloween. I did have some washi tape in here, but I took it out because I kind of put my other tray on top. I'll show you guys my other one. This is so cute, right? I absolutely love it. And it's just so pretty to look at. So that's why I took the washi tape off that, because I kind of like pile it up like that because it takes up too much room on my desk. And now I'm babbling. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in the next video.